Lemony roasted salmon with white wine couscous. Ingredients: How to make it. Step 1. Preheat oven to 450 degrees. Step 2. Combine yogurt, chives, 2 teaspoons oil, and 1 tablespoon juice, stir with a whisk. Sprinkle fish with 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Rub with 2 tablespoons yogurt mixture. Heat an oven-proof skillet over high heat. Add 1 teaspoon oil to pan. Add fish, skin side down, cook 2 minutes. Transfer to oven. Bake at 450 degrees for 5 minutes. Turn fish, cook 1 minute or until done. Step 3. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat. Add remaining 1 tablespoon oil to pan. Add carrots, shallots, and garlic. Cook 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add remaining 1 teaspoon lemon juice, remaining 5/8 teaspoon salt, remaining 1/4 teaspoon pepper, and wine. Cook 30 seconds. Add couscous, toss. Serve fish with couscous and yogurt mixture.